Dakota State Legislature's Special Committee on Impeachment, tasked with considering the impeachment of Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg, met again tonight in Pierre, with some of the key figures involved with the impeachment aftermath of the crash testifying today. State House reporter Austin Goss was in that committee hearing. He has our top story tonight from Pierre.
One of the state's attorneys that prosecuted the case against Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg says that the release of the interrogation videos was an ethical violation. And not only that, but that they could have compromised a potential jury and the entire investigation.
I mean, it's an ethical violation for me as a prosecutor. Even though it was done by another party, that's my case, and I could be disciplined for that happening. And the evidence could be suppressed. I mean, there's all kinds of ramifications that could happen if evidence like that is released to the public prior to the case being resolved, because it can taint the jury and it could negatively impact the ability to prosecute the case.
Michael Moore, Beadle County State's Attorney, and Emily Savell, Deputy State's Attorney for Hyde County, testified before lawmakers on their efforts to prosecute Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg. Despite the pressure to release evidence like the interrogation video, both testified that they felt that their investigation was not influenced by anybody.
I will assure this committee that I excluded any person or any party that was trying to unduly influence my decision with respect to this case.
And did you have to do that?
I did.
Moore and Savell were not the only ones to testify before the committee Thursday. Committee members also heard from DCI Director David Natvig and Ravnsborg's Chief of Staff Tim Bormann, who was with Ravnsborg when he discovered Joe Beaver's body the day after the crash.
I said, he called my name. I looked at him. He said, "There's a man." I walked over in the general direction of where he was pointing, between him and the ditch, and saw Mr. Beaver.
Afterwards, committee chair and Speaker of the House Spencer Gosh told reporters that there was still no timeline on when a recommendation might be sent to the floor, or on when the investigative report may be released.
We've been clear since the beginning that we're going to take the necessary time to do a fair job, and I feel confident that that's what we're doing.
The next meeting of the committee will take place on March 10th, the last legislative day before veto day. In Pierre, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.